Let knowledge flow like a river without any hindrance. Don't make it like a stagnant pool. Hello everybody, I'm PS Chatterjee with you. Today it is commentary on IS-456-2000 clause 5.7. Storage of material as per IS-4082-1996 clause 4.22, 4.23 and 4.24. This is part 10. Structural design only. A channel with different vision. In this episode, you are going to watch a general discussion on storage and use of polyethylene pipes, unplasticized PVC pipe, bitumen, rotor, and asphalts, etc. If you are watching my video first time, for more information, you may start from part 1. I hope you are going to enjoy this video. Before start of the lecture, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Clause 4.22 IS 4082-1996 Polyethylene pipes. Now the question is, what are polyethylene pipes? Polyethylene pipes are strong plastic tubes used for moving liquid and gases. They are lightweight, resistant to rust, and easy to install. These pipes last a long time and are commonly used in plumbing, irrigation, and gas system. 4.22.1 Natural polyethylene pipes should be stored under cover and protected from direct sunlight. However, black polyethylene pipe may be stored either under cover or in the open. 4.22.2 Coils may be stored under on edge or stacked flat on top of the other, but in either case they should not be allowed to come into contact with hot water or steam pipes and should be kept away from hot surface. 4.22.3 Straight lanes should be stored on horizontal racks, giving continuous support to prevent the pipe taking on a permanent set. 4.22.4 Storage of pipes in heated area exceeding 27 degrees centigrade should be avoided. These are the photos of polyethylene pipe and stacks and its use. Clause 4.23 IS 4082-1996 Unplasticized PVC pipes. Now the question is, what are unplasticized PVC pipe or UPVC pipes? Answer is, unplasticized PVC pipe, also known as UPVC pipes, are strong plastic tubes used for plumbing and drainage. They made without adding plasticizer, making them rigid and strong. These pipes are resistant to corrosion and chemicals, making them suitable for various applications. They are commonly used in construction projects for water supply, sewer systems, and irrigation. Due to absence of plasticizer, UPVC is a semi-rigid material. 4.23.1 The pipes should be given adequate support at all times. Pipe should be stored on a reasonably flat surface free from stone and sharp projection so that the pipe is supported throughout its length. In storage, pipe racks should be avoided. Pipe should not be stacked in large pipes, especially under warm temperature conditions. as the bottom pipe may distort, thus gives rise to difficult in jointing. Socket and spigot pipes should be stacked in layer with socket placed at alternate end of stacks to avoid lopsided stacks. Clause 4.23 IS-408-21996 unplasticized pipe PVC pipes. 4.23.1.1 It is recommended not to store pipe inside another pipe. 4.23.1.2 On no account should pipe be stored in a undistressed or bent condition or near the source of heat. 4.23.1.3 Pipes should not be stacked more than 1.5 meter high. Pipe of different size and classes should be stacked separately. 4.23.2 The end of pipes should be protected from abrasion, particularly those specially prepared for joint, either spigot or socket, solvent, welded joint or soldered for use with couplings. 4.23.3 In tropical conditions, pipes should be stored in shade. In very cold weather, the impact strength of PVC is reduces, making it brittle, and more care in handling shall be exercised in wintry condition. 4.23.4 If due to unsatisfactory storage or handling a pipe becomes kinked, the damaged portion should be cut out completely. Kinking is likely to occur only very thin walled pipe. These are the picture of storage and application of unplasticized PVC pipe. Now, advantage and disadvantage of unplasticized polyvinyl chloride pipes or UPVC pipes over polyethylene pipes, that is PE pipes, are as follows. Advantages of UPVC pipes over PE pipes. Number one, chemical resistance. UPVC pipes have better resistance to a wider range of chemicals compared to PE pipes. This makes them suitable for application where the pipe may come into contact with corrosive substance. Number two, smooth interior surface. EU-PVC pipe have a smooth interior surface which result in lower friction loss and better flow characteristics. This can lead to improved efficiency in fluid transportation system. Number three, longevity. EU-PVC pipe typically have longer lifespan compared to PE pipes. Their resistance to degradation from sunlight, ultraviolet radiation, chemical exposure, and abrasion, making them suitable for long-term use. Fire resistance. UPVC pipe have good fire resistant properties as they do not support combustion. This can advantageous in application where fire safety is a concern. Number 5. Dimensional stability. EU-PVC pipe exhibits excellent dimensional stability, meaning they maintain their shape and size over time. This ensures consistent performance and tight connection in plumbing systems. Now, disadvantage of PVC pipe over PE piles. Number one, rigidity. EU-PVC pipes are more rigid than PE pipe. While this rigidity can be advantageous in certain applications, it can also make EU-PVC pipe less suitable for situations where flexibility is required, such as in area with soil movement or seismic activity. Number two, installation difficulty. Due to the rigidity, UPVC pipe may be more challenging to install compared to PE pipe, especially in situations require bend or turns. Special fittings or technique may be required to accommodate installation needs. Number three, cost. UPVC pipe tend to be more expensive than PE pipe. The higher cost is often attributed to the manufacturing process and the added durability, longevity of UPVC pipes. Number four, environmental impact. While UPVC pipes are recyclable, the production process of UPVC involves the use of chlorine, which can have environmental implication. In contrast, PE pipes are often considered more environmental friendly due to their simpler manufacturing process and lower energy consumption. Clause 4.24 IS-458-2000 4.24 Bitumen, rotor, asphalt, etc. Now the question is, what are bitumen, rotor and asphalt? Answer is number one, bitumen. It is a thick, sticky substance derived from petroleum. Derived from petroleum. It is the main ingredient in asphalt and is used to bind together aggregate like gravel and sand to create road and pavements. Number two, rotor. Rotor is a colloquial term for bitumen. It is often used interchangeably with bitumen, but technically tar is a different substance derived from coal. Number three, asphalt. Asphalt is a mixture of bitumen and aggregate. It is a top layer of a road surface that you drive on. Asphalt provides a smooth, durable surface for vehicle to travel on. 4.24 All type of bitumen, rotor, asphalt, etc. in drums or containers shall be stacked vertically on their bottom in up to 3 tiers. Likely, leaky drums shall be segregated. Empty drums shall be stored in pyramidal stacks neatly in rows. This is the picture of storage and application of bitumen. These are the picture of application of asphalt. End of commentary on IS-456-2000 Part 10. Next video will be on clause 4.25, 4.26, 4.27 and 4.28 storage of water, oil paints, sanitary application, other materials and table 1 storage and stacking checklist as per clause 4.1. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.